Hello world, PDR coming at you here with a 2015 Ford Focus with kind of a, I would say it's either a super minor collision or a full shopping cart, but I think in this case it was another vehicle. If we analyze this dent, what we're talking about is this brow. Okay, I don't know what that was. And then we've got this other brow. We've got two smaller dents right here, the main dent right here, and it does go through the body line. I've got it nice and warm. I've got it heated up to about 100 degrees. And then if you look underneath here, you see where this dent was made, there's a brace underneath here that's a diagonal brace. When this thing was rubbed up against, it pushed out on that brace. So, first things first, I will say this. I sure do appreciate everybody that clicks on this video. I really do. We've got the microphone on. Hopefully you can hear me okay. Make sure that it's in the right location because it was hidden. So there we go. And messing with the mic is way professional. So here's what we want to do. First things first, we want to start banging down some of this line. We want to bang down some of this brow up here. Bring some of these back together. And then like right up here is probably where I'm going to start with some real light taps. Might even get the jackhammer out and jackhammer this top edge. So at this point in the videos, when I say I sure do appreciate everybody that clicks on this video, I really do. If you guys don't mind hitting the subscribe button and toggling the bell, we sure love to see the community grow. Now what I'm doing is I basically turned off the heat because I don't need the heater on while I'm tapping, and it's a little bit better for the sound. But I'm going to take some of these brows down, and guys, this is a I'm checking my access like this with number one. I can go in and actually get to a lot of this dent right here. You can see that I'm right in the center of it. But that is not what I want to do. I don't want to just instantly get in here and push because of all of this tension in the metal. So I think what we're going to do is do about a half an hour worth of tapping, and wifey can do some speedies or, I don't know, montage it. And then we'll come back and show you when I've got my tools in there and we're taking this dent out and basically work these two out and this one out here and come back and show you the work in process in just a bit. I like to show everything if I can. You know, a lot of the people out there in the industry, they're trying to be really secretive about paintless dent repair. You know, it's like, oh yeah, drop off your car and I'll have it done in an hour, and then they sneak in there and do it 5 minutes. And it's like, I love it when people watch me. And then the videos are just trying to give out the information, you know, tell people what it's like to, if they're a DIYer or whatever. Tell me if you're ready, honey.
I'm recording.
You're recording? Oh, cool. Well, we're back. We're doing some of these dents right here. And got it nice and warm. And I'm just right up here getting that little guy out. Got squishy on it. Right in the center there. And it's a tough push. Just trying to baby it. And it's not wanting to come out because it still has some tension in there. Now let's get down to this big area and see if we can move that metal. And there we are. I think I'm gonna take a look into the fog. I'm going for the very bottom, but let's see if we can get down to it. Now we're going to make some real soft pushes, guys. This is where the real magic happens. A little bit higher. There we go. And this top edge, I don't want to work it completely. I want to actually get down to the bottom edge a little bit. It's kind of braced, so I can get to this top edge. I'm going to keep on it. Just get what I can out of it. And I think I'm going to have to use a different tool to get into the bottom edge. bed. Here we go. We're making some movement. Nice soft tip, hot metal. Slow, easy pushes. Just using patience. And there's a point when I know that it doesn't want to move because there's still tension in this metal. So what I'm going to do now is keep on tapping some of these brows down, tap some more of this little line down, try to get my tool into this little bottom edge, get this thing looking clean, and we'll come back to you guys and show you the end result in just a bit. Okay, world, we're back. Here's what we ended up with. I think we got it to that expectation level that I said. Showed it to the customer. They're super happy with it. And the highest brow up here was the big problem. Obviously, we had this line that went through this diagonally. Most of that came out really nice. No push marks, no cracked paint. Hit it with a little bit of touch-up paint at the very end here. And other than that, you know, I think we just did what we could. I even jumped down here and took out a little bit of this one right here because it was a same thing that happened. Hit this one a little bit. So I got this one out. Other than that, hey guys, you know, I'll just kind of leave you with this. If you would, hit us up with a like and a sub button. We sure appreciate that. But, you know, hey, other than that, this thing came out pretty darn nice for what we said we'd do and what we did. I'll just say the thing. This has been PDR, and I'm out. Peace.